ya thung hi new krai ngim don kam ban ai kata ga training li ban ai kata ga awareness halor ka jing don kam jong new krai ti issues ngok ben ba pi pi atip la pa hang ne ga snong pla thung la pa yo to krai.
And we will give 2 more millets, little millet and kodo millet. Along with the 3 we are already growing, 2 more millet this time will grow. Total will be 5. And I think the buckwheat and the amaranthus here. You are growing this. It is again millet. Amaranthus in market. If you grow it for seed purpose, in market it is known as rajgiri. इसका लड्डू बनाया जाता है and so many processed products are available in market. So both buckwheat and amaranthus, they are also fall under millet.
Amaranthus kasi pi ong kung uti utul sila. Tulang markasi. Te minta singing in IP sa arjat ki millet halol tu ki pla thung lapa u kodo but u little millet. Te jisha uni u tau churti ong talar kasi but new buckwheat ru ki hab hakanega category bengi ong millet hi. Te ki ne de pi desh yo ru ki ya yo bha ki production ki la ban snam pon jat ki ru kom bam kum ki laddu ki ba ya yo bha.
So technology for this amaranthus and buckwheat is little bit different. You are already growing, you are well trained. Otherwise 3 millets, the finger, koro or foxtail and barnyard, you are already growing. Na? The 2 millets we are giving, all 5 the same package of technology. सारे एक से होते हैं, ठीक है? Finger millet is taking little bit more time, na? And foxtail and barnyard, I think little bit early. They are coming early maturity.
Okay.
Similarly, the other 2 millets also, they will mature little bit early. Finger millet they are harvesting in November, December. I think they will harvest other 4 millets, 4 millets by September onward.
So finger millet they harvest after
November. They will plant in June. They will harvest around November. He will farm, November, December. Then other millets they will harvest around by end of September. Or mid October they will harvest all of it.
They go come thung igini ki krai begin ai piru come down gunu gaching pher. Ki serie bhi kumiti ki be krai ba phila thung lapa. Tang tu foxtail finger millet uto ho banai October phila la ban khet tu ki be pade begin ai ki tu last week jong September la long ban khet na.
Then other